Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
Hey guys, welcome to Gizmo Time. So this is Chetan and this is the Fitbit Inspire HR, one of the recent bands launched by Fitbit along with the Fitbit Inspire and also the Versa Lite. So earlier there was the Fitbit Charge 3 that was recently launched and we talked about it on our website, we reviewed it and it was quite an interesting band with a lot to offer. But the Inspire series is a bit on the budget range. So the Inspire HR comes at a price of 9,000 rupees while the Inspire comes at a 7,000 rupee price point. And for this, the HR means the heart rate. That's the heart rate sensing. And these would be the major features. That's the fitness tracking and the heart rate. But that's not it. There's quite a lot of other things as well. We got this unit from Fitbit for reviewing, so we'll be testing it out for a few days. There's a 24 by 7 heart rate tracking that is given on this band, and these would be some of the major features. It's film proof, which is a good thing, so you actually can dunk it in the water, and along with that there's a 24/7 heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking with the different sleep stages that are shown in the app. The smartphone notifications also that are shown here is up to 5 days of battery life, and this is the only thing that would annoy someone like me who doesn't really like to charge the bands regularly. I would like something that gives a longer battery life and doesn't want me to keep charging them all the time. And this is the black variant. There are different color options. That's different band options as well, and that's a common thing with the Fitbit bands. There are a lot of options to choose from. There are leather bands, there are rubber bands, and there are double woven bands. There are different kind of bands that you can choose from. This is the basic black one, and again the same options that are given here. That's the different information. You have the sleep tracking with the light, deep and REM sleep, pace and distance with the phone GPS. So it doesn't have an inbuilt GPS, so it takes advantage of the phone's GPS in case you are running and want to get a proper tracking of the distance and the steps. And this has the interchangeable band option, so you can buy the band separately in case you want more bands and make it more personal. And this particular box includes both small and large wristbands for the different hand sizes. So this is the box package, and the battery life varies based on the use and other factors. So in case you have it connected all the time, then you get about 5 days of battery life, and you can get a bit longer or lesser based on how hardly you are using it. So let's quickly open the box. So this is the Fitbit Inspire HR, and obviously the heart of the band, that's this part, would be a bit thicker because it has everything. That's the tracker, the sensors, the heart rate monitor, as well as the display area. Everything is here, and that is why it is a bit thicker than the regular bands. And this is the regular black band, which seems quite good with the quality. And apart from this, let's check out what else comes in the box. Firstly, to start, download the Fitbit app. I already have the Fitbit app since I have been using the Fitbit Versa, and after that the Fitbit Charge 3. So we'll be connecting that as well. I'll be showing you how to do that. This is the proprietary charging cradle, rather something like a magnetic cradle, I guess. Yeah, it's a magnetic cradle which would fix to the bottom of the Fitbit Inspire HR and charge the band. And this is one extra strap, that is the longer one. Let's start the band now. So fitbit.com/setup is what it wants you to go to. I have the application, so I'll be showing you that. Apart from that, yeah, in the box you get even this booklet, safety instructions and limited warranty booklet. So now let me open the Fitbit app here. So I've been using the Versa earlier, so I'll now have to. The thing with Fitbit's app is that once you sync one device, the other device information will be all gone, and the sync with that is gone. Switching, there's a Fitbit Versa already connected to your account already. Switch to Inspire HR. That's what I'll be doing because now the Versa is going to sit aside. Requesting Bluetooth permission, yes, allow, and now it will connect to the Inspire HR through Bluetooth. These are different terms and conditions. You need to connect this when it's powered up and connected to the charging pin. So I'll be doing that as well. Now the band is found and it shows a number 6821, and once you confirm that, it would start syncing and it would get activated now. So there's a software update already. Let's also connect that and get the software update done. So check out the awesome things you can do with your watch. So these are the different things that you can do. First is track your activity. where the steps, distance, calories, and auto exercise recognition. The device has smart track technology to automatically recognize when you have worked out. Next is heart rate and exercise. So heart rate zones, how much time you have spent in the fat burn, cardio, and peak zones. There's also goal tracking for 15 plus exercises. There's a guided breathing, feel calmer with the breathing session based on your heart rate, and also the real time pace and distance. This is using the phone's GPS. Next is the sleep tracking, where you have the sleep stages. That's the light sleep, deep sleep, and also the REM sleep, and the bedtime reminders. So it would give you a nudge. That's a small vibration at a consistent time by setting up the notifications on the app, and that is for you to give a nudge that this is time to sleep now. There's also a goal setting where you can set the goals for about a certain number of steps every day, and the calorie goal and active minutes goal as well. And for the extra motivations, you have the reminders to move. So every hour you get a reminder that you have this many number of steps left. You have to move around if you're sitting for a long time. There's community groups. There's one big thing about the Fitbit, that is the community, where you can actually get a lot of perks, badges, and also you can compete with your friends and family members. So these are all the things that you can do with the Fitbit Inspire HR. Not just the HR, most of the Fitbit bands are known to do a lot of these things. But the HR being in one of the budget ranges under 10,000, because Fitbits usually are quite pricey. It's because of the sensors they use, because of the tracking they do, and also because of the community or how social the app is. So the phone says that it's still installing the update, but no, it's done. And we can see everything on the watch, the content. It shows the time first and then the initial number of steps here, and if you drag it up, it shows you the live heart rate and the number of calories burned and the number of active time. And this is right now it's checking out the heart rate, though I haven't worn the watch, so it won't be able to do that. And that is how it would keep blinking, the heart rate monitor. And this is to go back. This is just like any other Fitbit recent in the recent times. The Fitbit Charge 3 actually has this as a regressed one, not a pop-up button, but here it's a proper button that would also turn off the screen. Now if you drag it from the app, it would show you the different options, that exercise, connection, time goal, distance goal, calorie goal. And since it is touch, it's easy. GPS is on, heart rate is on. GPS is the device GPS. If you are again confused, it's phone GPS. I'll turn it off rather, because I don't want even the phone's battery to be wasted, since I'm not on any activity right now. When you're on an activity, you can do that. And now this was what is on the band. Press and hold the button, access your quick settings. So this is something that I didn't know about. Press and hold, and this would give you the different settings, the battery life, and also the screen wake option, the notification option. So these are when you press and hold the button. Wear and care tips: clean your band and wrist regularly with a soap-free cleanser. If your device gets wet, remove and dry it completely. Though it's swim-proof, it's always good to have it dry. Now get moving and make every moment count. So you can link the applications and try to have the notifications turned on for that. Now going to the Inspire HR features, these are the apps that you can install or have them already on the Inspire HR. So these are my apps right now, the time must relax settings, and these are all apps which I can actually install and have them. So there's nothing else. So these are the only apps that you can use and have. And the clock faces here are, this is the regular clock face that you have, and you have different clock faces that you can change and have it on your Fitbit Inspire HR. And this is how this looks like. It looks neat this way as well. So this is the Fitbit Inspire HR. I'll be using it for about a month before the review goes live, and this seems interesting, though a bit thicker than the usual bands that I have worn, but this is obviously much smaller than the Fitbit Versa and also the Charge 3. So this would be much more comfortable to wear and use. So this is all about the Fitbit Inspire HR. I'll be going on with the review later. You can check that out on the channel. And for now, that's it. I hope you like this video. If you do, share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.